Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I want to share with you my Van Cleef & Arpels birthday haul. So I've purchased two pieces of jewelry from the Van Cleef & Arpels Collins Street boutique, where I originally purchased my very first Van Cleef & Arpels piece, which is the gorgeous Sweet Alhambra bracelet. And I get so many compliments on it because it's so dainty and cute, and I really adore this piece. So I'm really happy to add two more pieces to my collection for my birthday. I purchased them on two separate days. So I have two shopper bags. I have a smaller one and then I have this larger one. So how I'm going to do it is I'm going to share with you what it comes with. Then I'm going to unbox and reveal to you the item that I purchased, and then I'm going to talk to you about, you know, the specs, the pricing, my thought process behind the purchase. And yeah, without further ado, let's jump right in. So let's start off with the very first piece that I purchased. Comes in this box here, and I love the packaging. So one side says VCA and then the other side says Van Cleef & Arpels. So this is the box right here. You can probably guess what it is. It comes with this gorgeous ribbon in this white box. I have my receipt. Comes in this envelope, and then I have the authenticity card, which comes in this little booklet here. So we've got like the care instructions, and then here is like this little sleeve which has the authenticity card. And then when you take this out, it looks like that. This other side, you've got the serial number and the date of purchase, stuff like that there. And then you've got the holographic sticker. It's just really beautifully presented. I'll just take everything out. Next up, I've got the travel pouch. Then you've got this gorgeous cleaning cloth. So it comes in this little sleeve. And then when you open this up, you've got the little care instructions. And then this is the buffer cloth. It's a really nice, substantial, quite large buffer cloth in black. It says Van Cleef & Arpels on the corner there. You also get this little booklet, and inside you've got a bunch of photo cards. Each card has photos of the Alhambra collection. On the back there, it's got a little bit of information of the history of Van Cleef & Arpels. And then I've got a travel pouch. I'll talk to you a little bit later on about Van Cleef & Arpels travel pouches, because we know Van Cleef & Arpels don't really give out travel pouches unless you really ask. Let's move to this box. How cute is it? It comes gorgeously wrapped in this ribbon. So I will undo it. So I had to ask my sales associate to put a ribbon on it because she was about to just put this in the shopper bag like that. And I was like, can you please put a ribbon on it? Just because without the ribbon, it would just keep coming out like that. Comes in this gorgeous pearlescent box. It says Van Cleef & Arpels on it. And then comes with that flap there, and then you've got this box. Are you guys ready? Can you guys guess what it is? All right, revealing to you. Ta-da! Oh, how gorgeous is this? So what I have is the Van Cleef & Arpels 5 motif vintage Alhambra bracelet. And this one is in the yellow gold with white mother of pearl. You've got this little tab here. You just lift this up and you've got the bracelet in here. How cute is it? Oh, I love this. I've been dreaming about this piece for such a long time. The very first time that I came across Van Cleef & Arpels, or even heard of Van Cleef & Arpels, was watching Pawn Stars. It's this like American TV show where there is this pawn shop in Beverly Hills, California. And he kept talking about Van Cleef & Arpels quite a lot. I saw a lot of Van Cleef & Arpels on Instagram, and I just fell in love. And this piece that I saw was one of the first pieces that I just fell in love with. I'm like, oh, it's beautiful. And I love mother of pearl, especially white mother of pearl. It's so luminous and it's so feminine, it's so soft, especially because I love Chanel as well, and Chanel and pearls, and it just makes sense to me. And so that's why I chose this piece as my second Van Cleef & Arpels piece. And I did ask if I could do a special order for this piece to be made in rose gold. They said it would take about a minimum 6 weeks and it would cost about 30% more more. This piece here costs 5,500, and if I were to get this but in rose gold as like a special custom order, I would have had to pay 7,450, something about there, so an extra nearly $2,000. And I thought, that's okay, can't really tell the difference because the gold is like in between and sort of around the mother of pearl, so you can't really tell the difference anyway. So I thought I'll just stick to yellow gold. But this is how it looks like on me. So this is like the full actual length of the bracelet. So what you can do is cut here. Van Cleef & Arpels offers complimentary adjusting of the length of your purchase within the first 3 months of purchase. So they shorten the chain links in between. So I do have large wrists and I just love the movement of it. It doesn't go down so far, but then it's not so low. When I think about Van Cleef & Arpels, I think of the Alhambra collection. This 4-leaf clover is meant to symbolize good luck and fortune and health and happiness and love. I did try on the other colorways, such as a malachite, which is a green one. Wasn't a fan of that, and because malachite is a very delicate stone. I also tried on carnelian, which is the red. I found that one quite pretty. I also tried on the onyx. If I were to choose next, I would possibly go with the carnelian or the onyx. So it's my top pick out of the 4 variations that they have. This is beautiful. I could wear this like every day. It's stunning. I'm so happy with it. All right, now moving on to the next purchase that I purchased a few days ago. Oh my gosh, I had so much fun shopping that day. I was sick like anything. I couldn't move out of bed for 4 days. I was bedridden. I've never had food poisoning before, but I had like major food poisoning. I had to get an injection to stop vomiting. And then the next day I'm like, you know what? Van Cleef & Arpels are gonna have a price increase soon, which is the next day. So I gotta get up today, have a shower, make myself decent, and then go visit Van Cleef & Arpels before they close at 6 o'clock in the city. So this purchase is from that day and I had so much fun. My friends from Cartier saw that I was at Van Cleef & Arpels across the road. So one of them came over to visit me and got this gorgeous shopper bag, also trapezium shape. This one's in white. It says Van Cleef & Arpels, and then you've got the VCA symbol. Give you a sneak peek of what's inside. All right, so first off, I've got a Flowers by Van Cleef & Arpels book. Oh, so stunning. It's got like all these beautiful creations in there. Look at all this gorgeous fine jewellery. Oh, I die. Next up, I've got an envelope for this other Van Cleef & Arpels purchase that I paid in full, and I'm going to receive it in, I think, a few weeks. So I actually purchased 3 items, but one is coming from another country. I'll share with you that in another video. That was like an oopsie sort of purchase. I wasn't planning on purchasing that, but you know, things happen and I was sick, and I probably shouldn't have been shopping when I'm sick because sometimes you spend a bit too much money. And then I've got my receipt here. So they didn't have any, they ran out of like receipt holders. Usually they put it in like a green colored envelope like this for the receipts, like a large version. Just take everything out. And then I've got a cute little box with a ribbon on it, which is really cute. And then I've also got a travel pouch drama. And then I've got also the Alhambra little booklet, and then I've got the Authenticity little booklet, and then I've got the item here. I'll just put the shopping bag on the floor and see it. Oh my gosh. Now moving on to this little purchase here. Had so much fun. I also had to ask for the ribbon to be put on because I go, it's my birthday. So you've got the gorgeous white pearlescent box. Open it up. Oh, I'm so excited. So I'll just lift up the lid. And then here you've got it's like a little stopper just so that your item doesn't move around too much in the box. To reveal to you, ta-da! How cute! This is the Van Cleef & Arpels Vintage Alhambra necklace, and this one is in the yellow gold with white mother of pearl to match my bracelet. So you just take this little tab out. I've always wanted the set, however, I just didn't want to purchase it all in one go. I just like to pace out my purchases as much as possible, just so that I don't feel like, oh, I've spent so much money today. And I noticed that I actually shop a lot more when I'm by myself than when I'm with someone. I do try to plan my purchases and think about my purchases like in advance, because they are like big purchases, like, so I do try to plan them out as much as possible. I thought the price increase is coming soon. I know it's only like 4% for smaller ticketed items like this. It's not as like a substantial price increase. However, I just thought, you know what, it's my birthday and I just wanted the set, and originally I wanted to purchase this set for my wedding as a wedding gift from me to me, but that didn't end up happening. I thought, you know what, I'll just wait. I thought if I don't get it for my wedding, then I'll get it for my birthday. If not for birthday, then for Christmas. And I knew that I wanted these pieces anyway, so it was just a matter of time, and I just thought, why not? When I inquired about these two pieces for my wedding in rose gold, they could only make this one in a special order for rose gold, whereas this one they couldn't. When I decided to purchase this item, I asked my sales associate if she could check out the back for like another two pieces so that I could choose the mother of pearl. Actually, my sales associate chose this one out of the other one for me because she goes that the serial number on this one is really good. It's got a 888 in it as the last numbers, and I thought, oh, okay. And I asked her, so when your other clients make a purchase, do they purchase it based on the stone, or do they make the purchase based on the serial number? She goes, a lot of them do make the purchase based on the serial number. I asked my sales associate if I could have this chain lengthened. It's like complimentary, but it will take 2 weeks. You can add an extra 3 centimeters or 5 centimeters to the length. This here is the shortest length on me, and it feels like a choker. It's quite tight. It just falls within the hollow. Okay. The longer length on me, which I think is not bad. Quite a nice length. I wouldn't mind to have it like a little bit longer. So the shorter length fell here, and then this one is a little bit longer. And then if I were to get it longer, it would be just a little bit longer. So let's talk about the travel pouches and the ribbons. When I made the purchase for my necklace, I had to ask for a ribbon to be put on the box. And I also had to ask for the travel pouch because she originally didn't want to give me a travel pouch. She said that they ran out, and she goes, well, I only have like a slightly larger one. I had to like be quite firm that I really wanted one so that it could protect my necklace, and she gave me one of these. It's better than not having no travel pouch. And then when I made my purchase for this piece, I did ask for a travel pouch for this bracelet, which she said that they didn't have any small travel pouch left, and I asked if she could supply maybe a larger size one just so that I have something for this bracelet, and I was denied. However, she did say that she could give me this travel pouch for this bracelet. You know, I told my friend about it. He's purchased from VCA like many times before, and so he asked his sales associate if they could send out a travel pouch to him so he could give it to me, which is so nice of him. So thank you, Taha, for just thinking of me and sending this out to me for my Sweet Alhambra bracelet. So yeah, I have one for my Sweet Alhambra bracelet, my necklace, and for this bracelet. I do really want this smaller, tiny little travel pouch, but I think in Australia they don't have any stock left. Other than that, like, I love the set, and I'm so glad to finally have this set, and I'm obsessed. I love like the Vintage Alhambra so much. It's very elegant, it's very timeless, and it's something that I can definitely pass down to my kids. I can't wait to stack them, but I'm just scared that I will scratch the mother of pearl because it's quite a delicate material. You're not supposed to wear it when you're having a shower. I was contemplating purchasing the Vintage Alhambra necklace with the diamonds in rose gold, and that one is absolutely gorgeous. That one is $10,400, but I just thought to myself, should I get a bracelet and a necklace for about the same amount of money, or do I get the bracelet and then do I get the necklace later on, because the necklace is quite pretty because it is diamonds, and I can wear that day in day out without taking it off. The backing on that diamond necklace is absolutely beautiful. It's like a snowflake design, which makes the diamonds really shine. So I was contemplating purchasing that necklace over this one, and the diamond necklace I can get later down the track, like for a more special occasion. I also tried on the Vintage Alhambra earrings. I already had the bracelet. I tried the necklace and the earrings on, and I just thought it was a little bit too much. It's either I do bracelet, necklace, or bracelet earrings. So that's a video on my Van Cleef & Arpels birthday haul. My question to you, which one was your favorite? Was it the Vintage Alhambra bracelet, or was it the vintage necklace? And would love to know your thoughts on lengthening the necklace. Do you think I need 3 centimeters or 5 centimeters, or is it okay as it is, because I have like a time frame of 3 months complimentary adjusting on the length of it? So would love to know your thoughts on that. Also, in my next video I will do a Cartier reveal for you guys, so make sure you stay tuned for that if you have not subscribed already. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.